So in this VistaCreate tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the thickness of an outline around text here in VistaCreate. So the first thing you have to do is open up the VistaCreate website or the application once that is done. Just add some text into your design. So I'll press on text right here. I will then make the text a little bit larger in size. And because we're looking at editing the outline thickness, I'm just going to type in the words outline and then I will type in the word thickness, just like that. So I'll make it a little bit wider so that it's all on one page, just like this. So if you wanted to do this, it's fairly straightforward. Press on the text right here, go to the top right and press on effects, then press on outline. Now by default, it actually does make the text transparent. So if you want to turn that off, just press transparent text right here, turn that off. And if you want to change the outline color, so let's just say you wanted to make the outline color, I'll just say white. You can press on like a white color right here, or press on whatever the case may be. So I'll just press on the text right here to make it white. What I'll also do now is, because it's not very thick right now, if you want to make the thickness where it says thickness right here for the outline, it's set to 1 by default. So if you just slide this bar to the right, you make the outline thicker, and if you slide the bar to the left, you make the outline thinner. So if you wanted to make it all the way thick, number 8 is the thickest, and there you go. Super straightforward. That is how to edit the outline thickness of some text here on VistaCreate. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.